You know that in Chinese, number 1 to 10 are very simple, right? But there are still some of the numbers that are often pronounced incorrectly or not standardized enough. So today let's take a look and see if you read it wrong. The first one is number 2, R. This is the character. This is the pronunciation, the pinyin. The key to pronouncing this word is the tone and the precision of your tongue. Many students would read this one like a R. Sounds like a third tone or a neutral tone. If it's weird for you to pronounce the fourth tone, you can think about the English word ouch, right? Ow, this part is a fourth tone. So you can just copy the sound to R. Another important thing is when we pronounce the R, our tongue is, in the beginning, it's flat. And then it quickly curls up. So it will become R. Did you get it? So this is the first one. It's not that difficult, right? Now let's move on to the next one, number 4, which is 四. The pinyin is 四. It's a fourth tone. And this number is often pronounced as C. Are you familiar with this sound? C. Can you tell the difference between 四 and C? In English, there is not an exact sound as 四. So that's why 四 is often pronounced as a C by most of the students. To tell the difference between them, you can feel that when you pronounce 四, you can feel your mouth is exerting a horizontal force, right? But it's gentle. While you say C, it's stronger. The horizontal force is stronger, right? 四, C. Can you tell the difference? If you still find it difficult to pronounce, then you can try to think about the English letter S. And you can just drop this part and left the sound. The tongue position of this is the same with number 4 in Chinese. 四. So when you pronounce this sound, you can just make it stronger and make it a fourth tone. 四. And that's number 4. 四. Make it quicker. 四. Okay. This 四 is actually the most difficult one because other than C, some of the students would read it as 色. Are you familiar with this word, or can you tell the difference between 色 or 四? 色. What's the difference between them? When you pronounce 四, we just talked about this before, the mouth is exerting horizontal force, right? 四. However, when you pronounce 色, it's vertical force. So 色, right? You can feel that your jaw is dropping down when you pronounce 色. 色 can mean color, right? As in 红色. 色, 红色. 四. Let's read them again and see if you can tell the difference. 四. 色. 色. Okay, next one. The third one is number 9. 九. The pinyin is this. Some of the students would read this one like 猪. It's a bit like the pronunciation of this English word 猪, right? 猪, but it's actually 九. The reason why it's 九 is because in pinyin, IU is the shorthand of IOU. So any pronunciation with IU will be IOU. That is, 有. So 鸡 e-o 酒 instead of 酒 right? 酒 The similar words are the same, like alcohol is also 酒 right? This is also 酒 and also 球 which means ball. We also have this pronunciation 球 can mean ball 球 okay? So this is about number 9. It's not that difficult. And the last one is number 10. 十 The pinyin is this 十 Many students read it like she, right? Like English she. Make it a second tone or make it a question tone. She, right? Are you familiar with this word, with this sound? 十 she, you can tell the difference, right? I have some tips for you to pronounce this word correctly. So first you can think about s, and then you can think about the sh as in hush. S, make it faster. S, sh, sh, sh. That's the sound of a sh. Now we just need to make it a second tone. Sh, sh. Can you try that? Make it faster. Sh, sh. The key to pronounce this pinyin is to roll your tongue upwards. Before you just learned number 4 is a 四, right? Now let's read it as a second tone, 四, and then based on the pronunciation of 四, you just roll up your tongue. 十 That will be the pronunciation of number 10 in Chinese. Is it difficult for you? 十 So these are the numbers that are often mispronounced in Chinese. Now let's go through them together again, okay? First one, R, 四 九 十 Well done. See you in the next lesson.